Are you passionate about education and looking to build an ethical and profitable business? Then welcome to the world of Frobel Education. Established in 2014 and a proud member of the British Franchise Association, Frobel Education has become a lucrative and respected brand with tuition centres, private exam centres and specialist laboratories within our group. Our CEO is welcoming interest from potential franchise partners because Frobel has the how-to know-how to help investors run up to 3 successful businesses from one premises. Imagine 1 set of core running costs and 3 impressive revenue streams. So, how does it work? Formula 1. A new owner will typically start with Formula 1 Tuition and Childcare Centre. The market for private academic and 11+ tuition and holiday programmes is a fast-growing and rewarding industry. With our support, your business can progress to Formula 2, where you establish a private exam centre on the same site as your tuition centre. As an ambitious owner, you can take the step to move to Formula 3 and create a specialist SEM laboratory within your centre, delivering a huge expansion opportunity to your private exam centre. Our London centre runs Formula 3 and will show you how to maximise revenue, minimise core running and staffing costs, and maintain 3 amazing businesses from one site. We will help you build and maintain a strong and successful business and a team that keeps your business developing and thriving. Welcome to the world of Frobel Education franchise.